Welcome to our channel. For decades, I've had the immense privilege of exploring the most breathtaking corners of our planet, from the lush Amazon rainforest to the icy plains of the Arctic. But today, we turn our attention to a sobering reality. The very forces that make our planet so vibrant also possess the power to extinguish life as we know it. Over the course of Earth's long history, life has faced numerous challenges, from cataclysmic volcanic eruptions to devastating asteroid impacts. These events have shaped the very fabric of our planet, leading to both mass extinction and the emergence of new life forms. Today, we delve into 6 such natural threats that could pose existential risks to humanity, and indeed all life on Earth. We'll explore the science behind these threats, their potential consequences, and the steps we can take to mitigate their impact. Out in the vast darkness of space, countless celestial wanderers hurtle through the cosmos. Among them are asteroids, remnants from the early solar system, some of which follow paths that intersect with our own.
66 million years ago, an asteroid, estimated to be 6 miles wide, collided with Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact unleashed unimaginable devastation, triggering tsunamis, wildfires, and a global dust cloud that plunged the planet into darkness. This catastrophic event wiped out the dinosaurs, along with 75% of all life on Earth.
The threat of such an impact remains a real possibility. While scientists diligently track known asteroids, the vastness of space means there could be undiscovered threats lurking in the cosmic shadows.
Beneath our feet lies a hidden world of molten rock and unimaginable pressure. Occasionally, this subterranean realm announces its presence with a fury unmatched by any other natural disaster, the eruption of a supervolcano.
Yellowstone National Park, renowned for its geysers and hot springs, sits atop one such supervolcano. Its last major eruption some 640,000 years ago ejected over 240 cubic miles of volcanic material. To put that in perspective, that's enough to bury the state of Texas 5 feet deep. A supervolcanic eruption would unleash a cascade of devastation, including pyroclastic flows, ashfall that could blanket entire continents, and a volcanic winter caused by sunlight-blocking sulfur dioxide injected into the stratosphere.
From the depths of space comes a force so powerful, so destructive, that it defies human comprehension: the gamma-ray burst.
These bursts of high-energy radiation are the most luminous events in the universe since the Big Bang. While short-lived, lasting from milliseconds to minutes, a gamma-ray burst aimed directly at Earth would be catastrophic. The intense radiation would strip away our ozone layer, leaving life exposed to lethal levels of ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The oceans would absorb much of this radiation, but the resulting chemical reactions could decimate marine life and disrupt delicate ecosystems. Thankfully, gamma-ray bursts are rare events, but their potential for devastation makes them a threat we cannot ignore.
In the intricate web of life, viruses and bacteria play a crucial role. Yet, these microscopic entities also possess the power to bring humanity to its knees. Historian history is rife with examples of devastating pandemics, from the Black Death in the 14th century to the 1918 influenza pandemic that infected an estimated 500 million people worldwide. Scientist: the emergence of a highly contagious and deadly pathogen capable of spreading rapidly through global travel networks poses a constant threat. Such a pandemic could overwhelm healthcare systems, disrupt economies, and lead to widespread social unrest. While advancements in medicine and public health have made us more resilient, the interconnectedness of our world means that a new and deadly pathogen could emerge and spread rapidly before we can mount an effective response. Our planet's climate is a delicate balance, one that is increasingly under threat from human activity. The burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing Earth's average temperature to rise. Environmental activist: this seemingly small change in temperature has far-reaching consequences, from rising sea levels that threaten coastal communities to more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts and floods. The delicate balance of ecosystems is disrupted as species struggle to adapt to rapidly changing conditions. Climate change is not a distant threat, it is a clear and present danger. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet and future generations. The Sun, giver of life, also harbors the potential for chaos. Our star is a volatile giant, prone to unleashing massive bursts of energy known as solar flares. Scientists, these flares release a torrent of charged particles that can disrupt our planet's magnetic field, creating geomagnetic storms. While not directly harmful to life, a powerful solar flare could cripple our technology-dependent world. Power grids could overload and fail, satellites could be knocked offline, and communication networks could be disrupted. In an increasingly interconnected world, a major solar storm could lead to widespread chaos, economic collapse, and social unrest. It's a stark reminder of our vulnerability to the whims of our nearest star. As we've explored these 6 natural threats, it's clear that our world, for all its beauty and wonder, is also a place of immense power and potential danger. But rather than succumbing to fear, we must embrace knowledge and action. Environmental activist. By understanding these threats, supporting scientific research, and advocating for responsible policies, we can mitigate risks and build a more resilient future. Economist. We have the power to shape our destiny, to protect our planet, and to ensure that life continues to thrive for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploration and reflection. Remember, our planet's future is in our hands. Let's choose wisely.